third time now, with a little bit better setup again. See, whoops, see the impact of runoff. It's the third time now, so we've had 3 inches of rain. It's already washed off so much already. And yet again, we're still having debris coming into the runoff area. So again, relatively clean. And there is some cloud in there, obviously. There's a little bit of debris, as you'd expect. And yet again, another 400 mils. So it's taken another 600 mils, 400 mil runoff. This one, a lot more debris in the bottom of it. For the third time, there's still runoff. And we're now looking at another 500 and just over the 500 mil of water runoff. So we've got 100 more mil of water off every time over this small area, and we're having significantly more debris in terms of phosphate, potash and nitrogen in terms of runoff.